Hey there, this is an introduction to a video series offering instruction on several different meditation techniques. The primary purpose of a meditation technique is to help us to clarify the mental processes occurring in the mind so that we can experience a state of focused concentration which is flowing without interruption. When you first sit to meditate, it's quite natural that your mind will be full of thoughts and ideas, opinions, memories, and sensations and feelings, and all the whole range of different types of movements. So we use the meditation technique to help us to move our attention away from those mental movements and bring it to a space of stillness. When we use a meditation technique, we're not trying to stop our minds from thinking. That's its job. It's quite natural for the mind to think. What we're trying to do is to redirect our attention to one specific point, and that will be our meditation technique. So by focusing our attention on a meditation technique, we're able to clarify our mental processes and to enter into a state of deeper stillness and deeper peace. We become more successful at meditation the more we practice. It can take time to develop the habit to be able to focus our concentration and to quieten our minds. But we use the meditation technique to help us to do this. And the more we practice, the more proficient we become in using the technique to get the results we want. In the yoga tradition, focusing on the breath and mantra are core techniques offered to students. However, there are several other techniques which can be used, and it's my intention in this video series to share them with you. So in the following videos, I'll offer an overview of each technique and how it works. And in the video that follows immediately afterwards, I'll provide you with a short guided meditation using that specific technique which has just been explained. As with all things, it's quite likely that you'll develop a preference for one meditation technique over another. But I invite you to try out each technique several times before you make up your mind. Also, as you become more proficient in establishing a state of concentrated meditation, you might like to return to the techniques, especially the ones that didn't originally resonate with you, just to see if they resonate with you more now, and maybe they'll help you to go deeper in your practice. Each guided meditation practice session within this series of videos will be 10 minutes in length. The first few minutes will offer guided instruction in using the technique which will have been explained in the previous video. And then after that, there will be an extended period of silence for you to continue with the practice in quiet. The session will finish after a total of 10 minutes with the sound of a prayer bell. So let's begin.